Hello everyone, I'm Isha and I'm here to introduce you to the new collection Everyday Ethnic. As you can see, there's this really beautiful kurti along with a lovely skirt right next to me. It's in moss color and comes with a totally amazing digital printed skirt. This is a wonderful choice if you're looking for casual outfit or even for your formal wear at office. Make sure you order these through our online handles. It just costs about 3685, is absolutely affordable and will be delivered to you at your doorstep in no time. Coming to the next outfit, which is this absolutely lovely tunic in a fruit print, and it is of rayon fabric. As you can see, it has got an attached shrug which is in a light grey color. It is an absolutely lovely color for this summer. You can definitely pair it with a beautiful belt or also maybe a pair of jeans or your regular leggings. It just costs about 2185 rupees. Absolutely affordable and worth the deal. Coming to the third outfit, this is a really beautiful kurti. एकदम ही blood red में kurti है, as you can see, और इसका cut बहुत ही beautiful है. It's an asymmetric cut. It comes with a deer print और थोड़ा सा zari work है. So I totally love this and I'm sure this will look absolutely great with a pair of blue jeans or even a legging. This costs just for rupees 2490 and I'm sure it will look really great, so please do order it and have it at your doorstep in absolutely no time. Let's see the next outfit, which is a really nice kurti in mustard color. आप देख सकते हैं, it's got really beautiful hand embroidery. It's a very fine embroidery and also has a bit of leather touch. So you can order this. It costs just for rupees 2290. So please do tune in and make your orders very soon. So I love the hemline of this and I'm sure you can just change the look by adding some chunky earrings or maybe a pair of stilettos and totally change this look into glam and evening party look. And then comes this very beautiful and vibrant kurti in yellow. This is an A-line kurti. जैसे आप देख सकते हैं, it's got a beautiful frill in the bottom along with some tassels in the details. Or this is a bandhani print, as you can see. There are a couple of accessories also. You can pair it with this beautiful purse and sandals in yellow. So this is going to be a really classy outfit when you're looking for your day outings or a casual day at your office as well. It just costs rupees 1799, which is absolutely affordable and worth the deal. Coming to the next one, this is my absolute favorite from the Everyday Ethnic collection from Neeru's. As you can see, बहुत ही खूबसूरत सुंदर कुर्ती है ये in green color. I just love this color. It is so soothing to the eyes. And also it has beautiful prints and a little bit of detailing and work just to enhance the plain fabric otherwise. As you can see, it's got a beautiful hemline which is asymmetric and it's really chic and classy. So make sure you add this in your wardrobe for your outgoing events, even if it's your everyday work, evening parties, or a casual get-together with your friends. This just costs rupees 2290 and I love this. Make sure you do order it as well. This one is again a beautiful kurti, जैसा आप देख सकते हैं. It's an A-line kurti in fluorescent yellow along with some file print and a little bit of handwork just to enhance the details of it. Again, it has a beautiful frill in the bottom This is available in all sizes, चाहे आपका size S हो या XXL हो. You needn't worry, you can definitely order it. This costs just about 1,999. Make sure you order it as soon as possible and have it at your doorstep in no time. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, there's this really beautiful kurti in orange along with floral prints. पूरी full length kurti है and you can wear it along with a beautiful legging or even a pair of jeans. तो इसमें बहुत ही minute floral print के designs हैं along with a beautiful neckline with tassels. इसका cost है just ₹2,890 and definitely makes worth a buy. टुवर्ड्स आवर नेक्स्ट प्रिंट. ये बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल सेट है, जैसे आप देख सकते हैं. इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल कुर्ती इन वाइट अलॉन्ग विद क्रश प्लाजोज इन अ पैरेट ग्रीन कलर. सो बेसिकली इसमें है मुगल प्रिंट्स अलॉन्ग विद वेरी फाइन डिटेलिंग ऑफ थ्रेड वर्क एज यू कैन सी, विच इज अगेन इन अ फ्लोरेसेंट ऑरेंजिश कलर. So it's a beautiful set. I love the colors. It's very vibrant and definitely goes along with a vibrant personality. This costs just ₹2,990 and it can be delivered to your doorstep with a contactless delivery. Moving on to the next set of kurti and plazo from the Everyday Ethnic collection from Neeru's. As you can see, there's this beautiful kurti in mustard yellow along with the printed pair of plazos. I just love these plazos which add a bit of color to the otherwise dull kurti, which has a little bit of embroidery work here and there just to balance out the enhancement of the details. And this costs just about 2,990. I just absolutely love this piece. It is very vibrant. It is very breezy and definitely a great choice for your summers. Moving on to the next unique set from the Everyday Ethnic collection from Neeru's. As you can see, बहुत ही pretty orange में कुर्ती and with ankle length pants. As you can see, the prints is bandhani print paired along with Lahariya prints. It's beautifully managed. I love how they've added frills onto the sides both ways and it makes a beautiful outfit for summers. Actually can be worn perennially. So make sure you order this. So this entire set costs just about 2,490 rupees. Make sure you order these because this will be definitely delivered at your doorstep in no time at all. And here's this really stunning kurti again from the new collection. As you can see, इस पे print पे embroidery work है. And if I could make you feel the fabric, it is very, very soft to touch. It is also coupled with little detailing, that is the borders that are in light olive green along with these borders around the hemline. इसमें छोटे से details है जैसे कि tassels. So I love this piece as well. It is really breezy and definitely would look good on any personality. This costs just ₹1,999. There's a distinct love in my heart for A-line kurtis which are especially full length. So this kurti comes with the kanta print. You must have heard of kanta work, but this is totally different. As you can see, this kanta print along with the free fall front of this kurti and beautiful dori embroidery, as you can see. So you can order this kurti which is in cherry red color. This is available in all sizes right from S to XXL and this costs just about 1,990. next to this very smart and elegant kurti along with a shrug. What I like about shrugs is that they are multi-purpose. You can use it along with the kurti or without the kurti and pair it with some jeans or a t-shirt. So what I especially like about this kurti is the horizontal strips. As you can see, they give you a very sleek and slim look overall. So I am loving the mustard color and the combination of it with black. As you can see, it's a full length kurti and it just costs about 2,825 rupees. And this is yet another tunic set collection from the Everyday Ethnic collection from Neeru's. As you can see, it's a beautiful kurti in yellow which is made of cotton jute. It is absolutely soft for the skin. It comes along with a beautiful pair of ankle fit pants, again in yellow. And I'm loving the print, which is a dancing horse print, which comes in orange, so it balances the contrast of the colors of this beautiful kurti. It costs just about 2,490 rupees.